Hey, Angel.
Yeah. Uh, now look who's running back.
Not today, Angel. Look, I really need you. I saw these images of the Messiah and I wrote them down, but I don't know. Like, what do you think they could mean?
So, what are they?
Okay, so,
I saw a kingdom, and I think may have been the New Jerusalem. I heard people clapping and praising, so when I looked over, I saw some guy, and he was coming down the street on a donkey. Then he turned into a shepherd, but he was rejected. But this shepherd was different than all the others, like you could feel it. He loved his flock, and even those who rejected him, I mean, that's how sincere this guy really was. Then it was like this moment back at the temple, right? I saw where it seemed like God's spirit was just getting poured into the people because all you saw was the most earnest of repentance and praise that one has ever seen, almost like people were made anew. Evil was being confronted and about to come to an end, and then there was like this river, a river unlike any river that anyone has ever seen, I promise. And it seemed to have gifts, like the gifts of giving, but giving life. And then people from all the nations were there.
yeah, what do you think it means?
Hmm. Okay. Well, why don't you ask them yourself and see? Hey, yo.
Ask who? Whoa.